What is up, guys, and welcome to Making Moves with Mikey. It's your boy Mikey Messina, and today we're going to be doing an install vid of the running R4T's GoPro mount, which goes on my Prinzu roof rack. This is how it comes out of the package. Got two screws. These are the inserts for the slots that go into the channels of your rack, and then the running R4T's mount for the GoPro. Pretty cool that they got the R4T on there. So yeah, let's install this bad boy. The place I'm gonna want to put this is right here in the center, so that way I can have it just right up front. Now, I was looking at the install vid on Instagram, or on YouTube, I'm sorry, and they didn't have the light bar like I do on mine, and that may be an issue because I don't have an extension for my GoPro. So it looks like I'm gonna have to get that extension on Amazon and get that installed. But again, with the hardware, it looks like these two silver pieces go into these channels. You just slide them over. You place a GoPro mount right on top of it, and then you just screw these bolts in. So really easy. Okay, so first thing you want to do is get these slots into the channel, and then I have this GoPro mount with the screws in there, and I'm just going to line it up with where the holes are on each one. Now we have it installed. Super easy install. Now let's check it out. Since there's a bit of clearance issues here because I have my light bar, I gotta look and find to see if I have an extender for my GoPro mounts. So I have a GoPro Hero 7, and when I was watching the running R4T's install video, they recommended the GoPro mounts that had this rubber piece. That way you don't mistakenly clip this as you put it on. And it looks like I had these extenders from this GoPro mount that I got on Amazon. This should have it higher than my actual roof rack. Let's see how this goes on. Slide it in there. Boom. Like a glove. And as you can see, the clearance is really good right above the roof rack. Now let me just turn this bad boy on. The GoPro is now on, so make sure everything else is tightened up. Clip this thing down, record. Okay, let's have it. Have at it. Let's do this. Oh! probably not the best time to do a GoPro vid test, but let's see if we can make it to the gas station. I am really pushing it. Really pushing it. We made it to the gas station. I was really scared there. Thought I was not gonna make it. Turn this off. It's still there. Hell yeah. Alright, hopefully I press record too. But yes, okay. Damn. 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 So the good thing is my truck made it to the gas station. My GoPro stayed on the roof rack. Good job running for tacos. Now I gotta pay this expensive gas and head back home so we can edit this thing for y'all.